Welcome to this Salesforce 101 short course. The aim of this course is to give you a big picture of what CRM and Salesforce are, as well as an overview of the multiple products and clouds that make up the Salesforce ecosystem. We'll also look at the opportunities in the market, covering market rates from across the globe, and discuss which products you may want to focus on if you're starting out on your Salesforce journey. So what will you be learning in this course? Firstly, we'll take a look at what CRM is and explore other players in the CRM market because it's important to understand how Salesforce fits into the CRM ecosystem. We'll also examine where Salesforce started, what its initial aims were as a company, and how it has evolved over the years. Next, we'll explore the products and services offered by Salesforce. While Salesforce doesn't reveal the popularity of each of its products, we've got a nifty way of finding this out, or at least getting a good idea. We'll then provide an overview of the different roles within the Salesforce ecosystem, along with expected salary ranges in the US, UK, Germany, France, and Australian markets. Finally, we'll look at Salesforce certifications, and there are quite a lot of them. This is where you can make your CV really stand out. One important thing to remember is that you don't need to be a developer or coder to work with Salesforce, and this is reflected in the various Salesforce certifications as well. But we'll dive deeper into this a bit later on. So, what is a CRM? Well, Wikipedia says, customer relationship management is an approach to managing a company's interaction with current and potential customers. It uses data analysis about a customer's history with the company to improve business relationships with customers, specifically focusing on customer retention and ultimately driving sales growth. But I think CRM is more than this. The best CRMs are all about finding, winning, and keeping customers while trying to keep up with bigger business demands. It's a place where companies can store all information about their customers in one location, allowing employees to easily use, share, and take action on that information. This way, everyone can view customer interactions across the business, from emails, events, and meeting notes to closing deals and forecasting sales. In my opinion, a great CRM empowers employees not just to be entrepreneurial, but intrapreneurial. It allows them the freedom to create reports, build dashboards, and develop new ideas and markets. Additionally, it offers the flexibility to quickly adapt business processes within the CRM, ensuring it keeps pace with the ever-evolving needs of the company and the business world as a whole. At its core, a CRM is about automating business processes. It's not that customers are interacting with a machine. Rather, it enables employees to make informed, personalized communication with customers without wasting time on manual processes. It also fosters seamless collaboration across departments, from marketing, generating leads, and nurturing campaigns to sales, managing, and closing deals, all the way to support managing post-product and service support from any device, tablet, mobile phone, or computer. I strongly believe in the value of transparency within a company, so no one is left in the dark. A good CRM can achieve this. That said, there may be times when certain reports and data within your CRM need to remain confidential. Having a flexible security model to protect critical business assets is also essential. To give you some context, let's briefly review other major CRMs in the market. Currently, Salesforce is by far the leader in CRM for sales management and support or service management. This can be seen in the Gartner Magic Quadrants and G2 Crowd Grids. However, CRMs offer benefits in other areas as well. Some are more process-driven, where the business processes form the core of the CRM. You often find these tailored CRMs in large call centers, where the process is very rigid and highly important. Although I don't always agree with such rigid CRMs, there are situations where they make sense. Then there are CRMs integrated into large ERP, enterprise resource planning, and finance systems with the CRM component attached on the side. These also have pros and cons. In contrast, record-driven CRMs like Salesforce offer users more freedom to use the system while building additional processes around it as needed. Record-driven CRMs are usually faster to set up and provide powerful tools to customize processes around records. I've seen many larger companies, for example, using SAP for ERP, but implementing Salesforce alongside it to visualize SAP data, while managing sales and support processes in Salesforce and feeding that information back to SAP. This allows both systems to work in harmony, There are also smaller CRM solutions such as Zoho, Sugar CRM, HubSpot, and Highrise. Some businesses start with these smaller CRMs before advancing to Salesforce. One of the main benefits I've found with Salesforce, time and again, is its ease of integration with other systems and the extensive range of third-party applications that can be integrated to solve critical business problems. Rather than reinventing the wheel, Salesforce allows you to enhance functionality with ready-made solutions. But we'll cover more on that later. I hope you've enjoyed the first couple of videos. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments. We are now going to take a look at Salesforce's products and services. Salesforce groups these products into clouds. For example, there's a cloud for sales and sales management, and another for marketing. When Salesforce first started, it only had its sales management tool, but as it grew, it added service and support management tools to the platform. To accelerate growth, Salesforce began acquiring companies and applications that complemented its sales and service offerings. Initially, these were separate systems, but over time, Salesforce integrated them into the core product, although some still operate separately and connect via APIs. If you visit the Salesforce website, you'll see that these products are organized into clouds. However, understanding which applications are part of the Salesforce core platform and which are not will help you better understand the platform. The core platform is the most widely used, with a common set of features and functionalities that can be applied across all products leveraging the core platform, making it easier to learn. Unlike the website, I have grouped the products based on those built on the core platform and those that are not. First up is the Sales Cloud, which is built on the core platform. The Sales Cloud enables companies to sell faster by providing tools to manage the sales process, automate workflows, and track performance. It allows sales managers to assess the performance of sales reps and manage the sales pipeline, ensuring leads are followed up and nothing falls through the cracks. Salesforce also offers a few other products within the Sales Cloud, including Salesforce IQ, a separate out-of-the-box CRM solution that automatically tracks and analyzes day-to-day interactions across the organization. This provides smart relationship intelligence by analyzing corporate email and calendar data to suggest connections that could help close deals. Another product in Sales Cloud is Quote to Cash, a core application that extends the sales pipeline by allowing for complex product configuration during the quoting stage and recognizing revenue once a sale is completed, including recurring products and services. Next, we have the Service Cloud, which is Salesforce's support management tool. It enables companies to manage customer inquiries and includes Live Agent, a feature that allows customers to chat with service reps online. Service Cloud supports multiple channels, social media, email, website forums, and live chat, through which customer issues can be submitted and directed to the right reps. Additional features within Service Cloud include Knowledge Base, a tool for storing searchable support information for reps, and CTI integration, which enables phone calls to be connected directly to Salesforce. When a customer calls, their record appears on the screen, so reps have instant access to relevant details. The Community Cloud connects customers, partners, and employees through a portal website where they can collaborate using Salesforce Chatter, Salesforce's internal social tool. This cloud allows you to share parts of your CRM with customers, partners, or employees, such as creating a support portal where they can search knowledge bases, submit cases, and collaborate. Financial Services Cloud and Health Cloud support specific industries. Financial Services Cloud is a wealth management platform that helps financial advisors manage client portfolios, while Health Cloud combines data from multiple sources, including electronic medical records, to provide healthcare workers with a complete view of patient data. All these applications run on the Salesforce core platform, allowing for consistent configuration and customization across products. The Force.com platform is the main toolkit where you can develop code, customize applications, and set up workflows to define business processes. Einstein, Salesforce's AI tool, integrates across applications on the platform. App Exchange, Salesforce's marketplace, offers paid and free apps from third-party developers, extending the functionality of Salesforce. Companies can publish their apps on App Exchange after passing a security review, allowing for easy integration with other platforms. Marketing Cloud is Salesforce's B2C marketing tool designed to deliver personalized messages at the right time. This cloud enables companies to create tailored marketing journeys across email, social media, and ads based on customer interactions and data from Salesforce or other applications. Pardot is a similar product but focuses on B2B marketing with fewer social and SMS capabilities than Marketing Cloud. Analytics Cloud provides advanced data analysis capabilities beyond the core reporting and dashboards, allowing you to analyze data from Salesforce and other sources. Commerce Cloud, from the acquisition of Demandware in 2006, is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that uses predictive intelligence to provide personalized shopping experiences. IoT Cloud processes Internet of Things data, powered by Thunder, a scalable real-time event processing engine. For instance, an IoT cloud setup could monitor a fleet of vehicles and flag only those with specific issues, like low oil pressure. Desk.com is a support management tool for startups and small businesses, while Service Cloud suits larger companies with more complex needs. Quip, acquired by Salesforce in 2006, is a collaborative productivity suite for creating and editing documents and spreadsheets as a group, much like Google Docs but with additional collaboration features. Heroku is a cloud-based development platform that supports multiple programming languages. It allows you to quickly deploy and scale applications with easy connectivity to add-ons like SMS services or Salesforce integrations. Each of these applications integrates with the core Salesforce platform to varying degrees. For example, IoT Cloud can trigger support cases within Salesforce for vehicles needing maintenance, while Analytics Cloud seamlessly connects with Marketing Cloud and Commerce Cloud to bring together data for analysis. This was a high-level overview of Salesforce's offerings. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. The Salesforce value chain plays a pivotal role in aligning various business functions, mapping each activity that contributes to delivering value to customers. Here's an outline of Salesforce's role in the value chain, its functional capabilities, and how the Customer 360 unifies customer data. Salesforce Value Chain Overview. Prospecting and lead generation. The marketing tools within Salesforce, such as Marketing Cloud and Pardot, drive the initial engagement, bringing in leads. This phase uses lead qualification to decide if a prospect is ready for the sales team or if further nurturing is needed. If a lead does not convert immediately, it can be handed back to marketing for further engagement, like a 6-month nurturing campaign. Sales process and pipeline management. The Sales Cloud enables a streamlined process from need identification and solution design to negotiation and deal closure. Sales Cloud supports tracking each step, helping reps follow up on leads, understand client needs, and close sales efficiently. Back office and customer support. After sales, Service Cloud and custom applications built on Salesforce support the post-sale phase, from managing support inquiries to back-office logistics. Salesforce's flexibility allows for custom solutions, such as a manufacturing tracker to monitor the production process, meeting client specifications in real time. Insight, roles, and data maturity. Across all stages, Salesforce enables detailed insights into sales, marketing, and customer service activities, allowing managers to track data evolution, assign roles, and maintain customer data integrity. Salesforce helps companies mature their data tracking from basic information, such as an email in the early stages, to comprehensive customer profiles by the end of the process. Salesforce Customer 360. Customer 360 serves as a hub for unified customer insights across different touchpoints, sales, service, marketing, providing a single source of truth. Unlike traditional databases, Customer 360 links records rather than replicating data, creating a dynamic profile based on a unique customer identifier. This holistic view supports personalization, consistency, and timely responses. Products in action, demo highlights. Sales Cloud accelerates sales management and pipeline tracking. Service Cloud empowers support teams with tools like Live Agent and Knowledge Base. Marketing Cloud and Pardot customize marketing efforts for B2B and B2C, engaging customers across email, social media, and web. Analytics and Commerce Clouds enable robust data analysis and personalized shopping experiences. App Exchange and Heroku Expand functionality with custom apps, integrations, and real-time monitoring. By mapping business functions into Salesforce's ecosystem, companies can better support every stage of the customer lifecycle, from first contact through post-sale support, driving efficiency and enhancing customer satisfaction. Let me know if you'd like more details on any particular Salesforce feature. One way I like to look at how Salesforce functionality is compiled across all the different platforms is by putting it into a functional capability matrix. This matrix has 3 different levels, with level 0 being the highest level of abstraction, level 1 being the next level down, and level 2 being the most detailed level. So at level 0, or the very top layer, it looks something like this. This is a structure I've come up with, and it's very similar to how Salesforce describes their functionality. This matrix can be really powerful when comparing products at a functional level. For example, if you're comparing Salesforce with another CRM tool, you can analyze the functionality across both systems to see if there's a fit. It can also help you identify any areas where you might not be using the platform to its full potential. Top-level functionalities. Channels. This includes all the ways you can consume Salesforce functionality, like phone, email integration, telephony, social channels, and even IoT and connected devices. Main Salesforce clouds. This top layer breaks down the core Salesforce functions. Marketing, focused on Salesforce's marketing tools. Sales and e-commerce, covering sales and e-commerce functions. Service, supporting customer service, possibly post-sales. Salesforce communities. These are community portals that allow customers to log in, update records, submit support cases, and more. IoT and AI, encompassing Internet of Things capabilities and AI functionalities across Salesforce platforms. Analytics. Salesforce offers a variety of analytics tools with diverse functional capabilities. Apps ecosystem. This is at the level 0 functionality because it's essential to the platform. It includes partner apps and apps developed by other companies that integrate with Salesforce or are built on the platform itself. There are some fantastic applications here. Support functionality. This includes Salesforce support, premium support options, free training, learning resources, webinars, and other educational content provided with the Salesforce purchase. Platform areas. This area focuses on building apps and customizing the core functionalities of Salesforce. Integration Cloud, MuleSoft. This covers all integration capabilities across the Salesforce clouds. This is the functional capability matrix at level 0, representing the highest level of abstraction. If we go down one level to level 1, it provides a more detailed breakdown of functionalities within each of the different areas in Salesforce. Marketing. In marketing, we have capabilities such as lead generation and website integration to capture leads into your system. Email marketing and campaign management to organize and measure marketing campaigns, whether on Google, Facebook, or other platforms. This includes tracking prospects' interactions with your activities. Campaign optimization to analyze which campaigns perform well and identify areas needing more effort. Journey management, available in Pardo and Marketing Cloud, allows you to create a journey for prospects to gradually warm them up to a sale. Drip marketing is similar to journey management, providing prospects with information over time to guide them towards a sale. Campaign management oversees campaign execution and measures ROI. Marketing automation tools like mobile messaging and digital advertising, e.g., Facebook and Twitter ads, help in automating and measuring marketing efforts. Customer segmentation enables personalized journeys by deeply understanding and segmenting customers. Content management systems, CMS, provide support for organizing and delivering marketing content. These tools are split primarily between Marketing Cloud and Pardo, each covering different functionalities within this domain. Sales and e-commerce. Salesforce is renowned for its sales and e-commerce functionalities, especially around sales engineering and pipeline management. Key features include lead management. After marketing warms up a prospect, they move to a lead where they can be qualified by a salesperson, perhaps with a call or by gathering more information before converting them into a sale. Opportunity and pipeline management. Tracks a lead once it's converted into an opportunity and entered into the sales pipeline. Configure Price, quote, CPQ. Manages the complexity of bundling products with various configurations. For instance, in building a computer, CPQ manages compatible components and applies any bundled deals. Social network integration allows for monitoring social media activity and responding to it. Partner management and high-velocity sales. Support for managing partner relationships and rapid sales cycles. B2B commerce facilitates managing products and payments, especially for online transactions. Account and contact management separates companies, accounts, and individuals. Contacts. Territory management organizes sales teams by region, ensuring leads are assigned to the appropriate people or teams. Personalized sales journeys tailors customer experiences in e-commerce by showing relevant products based on past behavior. Forecasting provides a forecast by analyzing the sales pipeline, particularly helpful for tracking high-probability deals. Order management and B2C commerce support managing e-commerce orders and sales processes. Customer segmentation, similar to marketing but within a sales and e-commerce context. Search engine optimization, SEO, focused on e-commerce, ensuring your pages are optimized for search engines like Google. Shipping management manages shipping for products from an e-commerce store. This overview provides a comprehensive look at the sales functionalities, which have even greater detail in Level 2. Service. Moving to service. Next up, we have service. Service is focused on post-support and management of the customer. It involves managing cases and incidents, assigning them to the right people, and escalating them to other teams if they aren't resolved within a specific time frame. For example, if you have a VIP customer with a service level agreement, SLA, that requires faster response times, service handles this sort of prioritization. A key feature here is the knowledge base, which aids in what's known as case deflection. When a customer submits a case online, the system can suggest solutions from the knowledge base. If the customer finds the answer there, they don't need to submit the case, effectively deflecting it from requiring human intervention. This is a vital aspect of optimizing service delivery to make it more streamlined and efficient. There's also phone integration, a functionality that spans both sales and service. When the phone rings, Salesforce can automatically display the customer's information or an open case on the screen, allowing the sales or service rep to immediately get context before answering. It includes features like click to dial, where the rep can click a phone number in Salesforce to initiate a call without manually dialing. Plus, call records and interactions are stored back in Salesforce, offering insights into who's calling whom and enhancing call efficiency. Live website chat is exactly what it sounds like, the feature that pops up when you visit a website offering to help. Closely related to this is the chatbot, which automates responses for live chats. This enables customers to interact with an automated system to resolve common issues. If the chatbot can't answer the question, it can then transfer the customer to a human agent. Social network integration is typically used to bring messages from platforms like Twitter and Facebook into the case management tool within Salesforce, so service reps can respond directly to social media complaints or questions. Omnichannel routing manages the flow of incoming cases across multiple networks, including social media, email, and web chat. This tool directs cases to the appropriate people, balancing workloads and ensuring teams aren't overwhelmed. Macro automation allows users to create and use macros to perform repetitive actions. For instance, a macro could automatically close a case and send an email notifying the customer, streamlining repetitive tasks. Asset management helps track the assets that a customer owns. If a customer buys a product, it's logged as an asset in Salesforce, with support agreements and other relevant data attached. Field service is particularly useful for managing field teams. It provides a map view of field reps, work order management, and tools to allocate tasks based on location and skill. It also helps prioritize VIP calls by quickly locating available reps nearby. Communities offers a customer or partner portal where users can log in to respond to cases, check order statuses, and access the knowledge base, chatbot, and other tools. It's essentially a website and portal in one. The IoT and AI functionality has expanded rapidly, bringing predictive insights into sales, service, marketing, and communities. One example is opportunity scoring in Sales Cloud, which analyzes the sales pipeline to show which opportunities are most likely to convert based on prior data. Analytics includes multiple Salesforce analytics tools, from data within Salesforce or external sources, providing actionable insights. Salesforce recently acquired Tableau for advanced reporting and visualization, and also offers Einstein Analytics alongside core platform reporting tools. The apps ecosystem is a vast marketplace of apps that people have built on or integrated with Salesforce. These apps provide additional functionalities across sales, service, and other channels. It's worth checking this ecosystem before custom building solutions, as there might already be a ready-to-use app available for purchase. The platform itself provides extensive customization options for creating applications and customizing Salesforce's existing features. Salesforce abstracts away concerns around availability, scalability, security, and intrusion detection, giving users peace of mind. The integration cloud, MuleSoft, allows Salesforce to connect with other platforms, facilitating data sharing and messaging. Finally, there's support. Salesforce offers various support options, from community-based to premium support, as well as in-person events, webinars, and online resources. That covers the Level 1 functional capabilities. I hope this overview has been interesting. While I went into detail in some areas, I glossed over others due to the breadth of functionality. There's a lot more in sales, marketing, and service compared to some other platforms. The next level is the Level 2 processes, which dives deeper into each area. However, I won't cover that here, as it would make this session much longer. The Level 1 Functionality Capability Matrix is an invaluable tool for visualizing all of Salesforce's functional capabilities in a clear, structured way. It becomes even more powerful when you start using it to identify which functionalities you've purchased and how they align across different Salesforce clouds. For example, let's say you bought Sales Cloud and Pardo. By highlighting these on the matrix in green, you can see all the functionality available to you. Interestingly, it's not strictly limited to sales. You might notice some capabilities for case and incident management within Service Cloud as well. This shows the breadth of features you have access to, even across different modules. Beyond simply marking purchase capabilities, you can take it a step further and highlight areas you've bought but aren't fully using. This is particularly useful for seeing where you're underutilizing the platform and identifying areas where additional value can be gained. Moving into Level 2, you drill down further into each capability, adding more granularity. Let's take Single Sign-On, SSO, as an example. At this level, SSO could be broken into delegated authentication, federated authentication, and social sign-on. You could highlight federated authentication, for instance, to signal its implementation as part of a project. This level of detail provides a single image that clearly communicates upcoming changes across the platform. That wraps up our exploration of Salesforce functionality. Now let's dive into a practical look at the Salesforce platform itself. I am super excited to show you Salesforce for the first time. If you haven't seen it before, this was eye-opening for me when I saw it. I saw the future of my career here, although I didn't know it at the time. But I've kind of built my entire career on the Salesforce platform. And so, I'm super excited to give you a peek at it. So we're going to take a look at the CoreForce platform, as I call it. Now, within that platform, as I've talked about previously on the call, it's got those core platform features: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. This is where you can connect and install different app exchange apps and things like that. And it really is the glue that holds all the other clouds together. So we're going to take a look at this demo org. Now, this is a fully pimped out demo org with everything you could possibly think of enabled in the org, and we're going to go through it and take a look. So let's dive in. Here we are in my demo org. Now, this is actually everybody's demo org, so you can sign up for this org for free. It's as if you were a user using Salesforce. So if you want to configure and make changes, you won't be able to do that here, but in my admin certification course and other courses, I show you how to set up an org you can actually configure and change to your heart's content. But this org is focused on showing you all the possible features you can get in the core platform. You can play around with it as a user. So here we are. I'm basically on the homepage of Salesforce here, and you can customize the homepage for different types of users. Salesforce is very configurable. You can see here that I've got my pipeline. It might be a salesperson. I can see how much revenue I've got in my sales pipeline and where the deals are. At the lowest level, I'm in the qualification stage, which has the most deals. Slowly, as deals go through the pipeline, they narrow down to the negotiation stage or whatever stages you like until the deal is closed won, meaning I've won that business. I've got a whole set of tasks, some that are completed and some that are new that I need to work on. Cases is Salesforce's support app. I can see today's events because Salesforce integrates with Google Enterprise Calendar or Outlook, along with tasks. I've got my recently viewed records here and items to approve. This is for approval processes within Salesforce. Again, in my certification course, we go into how to create approval processes. All of these are separate components that you can customize and choose which ones are shown to specific users. Next, we have the tab bar along the top. The first thing I'll show is the app launcher, which shows you all the different apps that are available. At the moment, we're in sales, but I could jump into service, which has a different view and allows us to manage multiple records in Salesforce. For example, I can have multiple tabs open to work on 2 different support cases at the same time, based on the channel it's come in through, whether it's web, Facebook, or email. It all shows in the same view. There are milestones and KPIs to ensure that I respond within, say, the next 50 minutes for this particular case to hit that milestone. Salesforce also has a knowledge base with suggested articles based on the question about the product. Now, switching back to the Sales Cloud, I've got lead records. Back on the homepage, I can access any of these records. Let's look at a lead record, for example. A lead is at the beginning of the pipeline. You could have a form on your website that creates a lead, which then goes through a process. For instance, this lead is open, then moves to contacted once I've reached out, then to qualified if there's an interest to buy. Converted means it's now an opportunity in the sales pipeline. Salesforce provides guidance through this process, showing key fields to fill out at each stage. Einstein, Salesforce's AI tool, analyzes winning and losing deals in your sales pipeline, identifying positive factors, like having the company and lead source specified, and negative factors, like lacking a budget or only an account executive title. Einstein essentially backtracks data to the beginning and suggests which customers are more likely to result in successful deals based on past patterns, which is incredibly smart and helpful for a salesperson. And again, you can customize this and choose different actions. I've got a marketing tab. I can see if they've been on, oh, this one's been on a webinar, so I can tell they've been on a webinar before. Yep, best practices webinar, they've been on, and also loads of other data on the lead, like how they've contacted us, webinars, banner ads, and links they've clicked. All kinds of stuff. I can also log calls from here. I can also send emails directly from within Salesforce. And what's cool is that you can use snippets and templates, which are great to speed up that sales process. And then we've got accounts. It's a lot to cover because it's a record-based CRM, so an account is like a company. I can see highlights of those companies and the contacts I've created for them. I can see reporting and analytics on that company, where they're trending and how they fit. Again, all totally customizable. I can also see the product breakdown and what they're buying. This component is from Tableau CRM, but it's all seamlessly integrated into one application. I've got integrations, so these are invoices in QuickBooks and SAP, and orders in SAP that I'm seeing in Salesforce. The data doesn't persist in Salesforce. We're magically querying QuickBooks and SAP when I load that tab to get exactly the information shown here. This can be done using the MuleSoft Integration Cloud or native functionality within Salesforce. I've got my activities, so I can see what activities are upcoming for this company. For example, a draft plan and account review is due today. Tomorrow, there's a task to draft a mutual plan assigned to this person. We can also look at the company's services, like support cases we saw earlier. We've got assets, so I can see what they purchased. This helps drive service processes. For instance, if they purchased a VIP support package, the SLAs are quicker. Instead of a 50-minute response time, maybe it's a 15-minute response time. Salesforce is a massive platform. There's so much to it, and you can even build apps on top of it and integrate data very easily. What's great is that 95% of it is declarative, so you don't need to know any code, especially when you're just starting out, which makes it a great enabler for anyone wanting to learn Salesforce. Salesforce Maps is another awesome tool I use a lot with companies. Salesforce Maps essentially maps your data on a geographic map, so I can see a customer I'm visiting and what other prospects are nearby that I could visit as well. You can also map other data, like leads or customers at risk, allowing a salesperson to focus on clients in their area that need attention. That's really a whistle-stop tour of Salesforce. I recommend exploring it if you're interested, but don't get overwhelmed by it all. There are project management tools and all kinds of features to explore. Sign up and give it a try. If you really want to start digging into this and get certified, I highly recommend you look at getting admin certified or taking my admin course. In the course, I go through the Sales Cloud, the Service Cloud, the security architecture within Salesforce, creating reports, dashboards, meaningful analytics, and really getting a good overview of Salesforce. It's an awesome package of products and services. And just to quickly mention, there's also field service for tracking people on the road. It's endless, but it's awesome and so much fun. I love working with companies, implementing Salesforce, and seeing the positive impact. It eliminates manual tasks so teams can focus on building relationships with customers, helping them thrive and be successful.